Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I am here with my new concept, new and interesting concept, short forms. So chapter number 26 in English grammar, short forms. Open your book. Now first of all, what is short form? We generally use short forms while speaking, while writing. So here are two sentences. She is going to school. Now look here carefully. She is going to school. Simple sentence. She is going to school. But here is she, then apostrophe sign and S, going to school. She is going to school. Now she, then apostrophe S, going to school. Apostrophe sign and S, going to school. In sentence 1, we used she is. In sentence 2, we used she, apostrophe sign and S. She apostrophe and S is the short form of she is. If we write she is, if we write she is, he is, and she's, he's, so both meaning are same. Okay, both meaning are same. The meaning of both words are same. Now there are certain words in English which are written in short forms. So when we use these short forms, the pronunciation or pronunciation also changes. How? Here are some more short forms like she is. Now she, then apostrophe sign and S, she is. He is, he, apostrophe sign and S, his. They are, they, apostrophe sign and RE. We are, we, apostrophe sign and RE, we are. He will, he, apostrophe sign and double L. She will, she, apostrophe sign and double L. They will, they, apostrophe sign and double L. We will, we, apostrophe sign and double L. Now match the words with their short forms. First of all, look here. We often add not to some words and form. But first of all, we have to complete that work. Match the words with their short forms. He is. So now he is, he is. They are, they will, he will. You are, we are, I am. Okay. Now next is we often add not to some words and forms. So now we will see short forms of helping verbs adding not. Like here is not, are not, were not, was not, will not, had not, have not, has not. Now we will see the short form. Is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, are not, aren't, will not, won't, has not, hasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't. Is that okay? Now rewrite these sentences using short forms for the words in colored. जो भी words यहाँ पर colored वाले हमें उन्हें short form में change करना है. Okay? So we are not playing cricket. We are not, so aren't. As I told you, are not, aren't playing cricket. Next is she will. So she, then apostrophe sign and double L. She'll perform at the function. Next is when I went to his house, he was not at home. When I went to his house, he was not at home. So when I went to his house, he wasn't, it means was not at home. Then full stop. Okay. Next is I am a good singer. I am a good singer. Then am a good singer. I, then apostrophe sign and am a good singer. Full stop. Next is he is doing his homework. He is doing his homework. So he doing his homework. He is not my neighbor. He isn't my neighbor. Next is Vivek will not go to the party. So Vivek will not, it means won't, go to the party. Next is they are not coming today. So they aren't coming today. Now here we have to write the short forms, the full forms of these short forms. These are short forms, हमें इन्हें full form में लिखना है. Like isn't, so is not. You, then apostrophe sign and re, that is you are. He, apostrophe sign and double L, that is he'll. He will. I, apostrophe sign and am, I am. Want, will not. They are, and then are. Aren't, are not. wasn't, was, not. That's it. Now this chapter has been completed. So thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed and liked it. So complete that work only in your book. So take care. Goodbye. We will meet you very soon with another chapter number 27, opposites or antonyms. So take care and God bless you all.